Herbivore Botanicals. This American skincare brand has been a massive hit on social media, especially on Instagram. With their sleek and photogenic packaging, this comes as no surprise. Created 2011 by Julia Wills and Alexander Komarov in their Seattle kitchen, their goal is to create products that are safe, non-toxic, and highly effective. The brand takes great pride in being truly natural, vegan, and has all the products tested on this channel, cruelty-free. They have a somewhat small product lineup, especially if you compare it to the larger skincare brands like Mario Badescu or Ren. It seems like the focus is all in on a few products instead of different collections and series. For this video, we're taking a closer look at 3 of their most popular face products: Lapis, Phoenix, and Orchid. Let's try the products out with a texture test. First out is Lapis. It's for dry, irritated and blemish-prone skin. So it includes blue tansy that helps to soothe and help irritated skin, reduce redness and balancing the oils out. The texture is like a dry facial oil, and as you can see when I put a drip on my hand, it spreads out evenly on my skin. And it's easy to massage in without getting an oily film on your face. And afterwards your skin looks really hydrated and glowy. The next one is Phoenix. It's best suited for dry skin in need of deep hydration and if you need silky smooth nourishment. It includes rose hip oil, sea buckthorn, meadow foam and chia seed oil. And just like Lapis, it's a dry facial oil that gives you instant rehydration. And as you can see, the oil has a bit of a yellow coloring to it, but don't be afraid, it's not going to stain your skin. It's not going to make you look yellow. Instead, it's going to give your skin a nice glow, just like Lapis does. And because of the rose hip oil, it has a potent smell of rose, so if you're not into that, I recommend using Lapis instead. And then the last one, Orchid. It's perfect for all skin types, with floral oils that gives you a lightweight and dewy hydration. Since Orchid has a more lightweight texture, it's not as instantly spreadable as Lapis. You will need a bit more product compared to Lapis and Phoenix in order to fully cover your face and massage it in. But it smells really good and really floral, just like a fresh spring garden. It's a perfect face oil for summer.